Okay. Uh, I'm not sure if this is working actually, but I hope it works. I hope it works. Let me go up. This is supposed to be showing my picture or my video or something like that. I don't know. I'm not sure if it is showing. It's okay. Notwithstanding, good evening once again. So, linear inequalities in one variable. So, we have the constant linear inequalities with reversing symbols. Uh, we have representing solution of inequalities on a number line or on a graph, then combining inequalities. So, uh, linear inequalities, when we talk about linear inequalities, when we talk about inequalities general, inequalities is, if you look at the word inequality, it is like something that is not balanced. You understand? Something that is not equal. So inequality is from equal. Like when something is equal, then a equals to 5. But if when a is not equal to 5, and I will put a stroke on equals to the sign, then we have okay. So we have so we say a equals to 5, that means a is equals to 5. So for every a letter that you see, whenever you see a, you know that a equals to 5. So whenever you see a, then you put 5. So you understand, that's equal. That is equality. That is an equation. So when we talk about inequalities, it's like it's reversing. So you say it is not equal. So when a is not equal, then when we're talking about inequality, that means a, it is either greater than 5, a is either less than 5. So we can also say, according to the signs of inequalities used, a can be greater than or equals to 5. It is an inequality because we are not sure. It is a probability that a is neither 5 nor greater than 5. So it's a probability. So also when a is not equal to 5, so all those ones they are probable, we can actually see the value, actually tell us the real value of a. You understand? So those are the signs used in inequalities. Now let's look at this example. So see, if you see this example now, it said consider a bus with X people in it. Now, for example, we can actually make use of the Goma bus, that green bus. So and use that one as our case study. Now, if you look at it, for example, I can just stay inside the class and be like, okay, there are X people inside the bus, and a student will be like, okay, X people, we don't have a definite number. So the student goes to the bus and count the number of students in the bus. And when he or she counted the people inside the bus, he was able to count 40 persons inside the bus. You understand? He counted 40 people inside the bus. So when I say there are X people inside the bus, then the student counted and counted 40, a whole number. That means X is equals to what? X equals to 40. So we have a definite value for X. There are X people inside the bus, but we've already counted. There are 40 people inside. Okay. So wherever you see X, you put what? Put 40. Do you understand? Wherever you see X, put 40. So look at it, says if there are 40 people, then X equals to 40. This is an equation, not an inequality. It is an equation. It is equals to, the X is equals to that. You understand? X is equal to, so it is not an inequality. Now, if there are less than 30 people in the bus, then X is what? Is less than 30. Where the sign means what? Less than. This it means less than. So this is an inequality. It literally means that the number of people in the bus is not up to what? It's not up to 30. It's not up to 30. So you can see the difference between equality or equation and inequality. And when we have an equation, we have a definite value for our letter or for whatever we are talking about. You understand? But inequality, X is less than 30. That means, when it comes to this, it is probability. We can just assume, there are X people inside the bus. That means, and the way I see it the other time, it seems there are less than 30 people. That means we are not sure, we are not definite. So we can just say, okay, fine. If they are less than 30 people, that means X is what? Is less than 30 because we are not sure. So that means X can be 29, can what? X can be 28, X can be 27, and stuff like that. Do you understand? So that is that about that. And I think so that is that. So by God's grace, tomorrow we are going to continue and see on I'm going to explain this. Let's just stay on that one for now. I'm going to explain this tomorrow. By God's grace, I pray the video works tomorrow, so I won't have to record like this. So take good care of yourself and have a good night's rest.